Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're gonna pop the hood over near the footrest. Here is a lever. Just pull that out. To release the hood, there's a little lever right here. Pull that up, and then the prop rod is right here. Pull that up, insert that right there. We have these retainers over this cover that we have to take off. So we have 7 push retainers that we need to take off up here on this cover. You can use a flat blade screwdriver and just pop the center up a little bit and then pop these out. Pull that last clip out, and we can pull this cover off, slide it off the release for the hood. Before we take this latch off and loosen the bolts, we're gonna mark where the latch was. So we're just gonna take a felt tip pen and go around the outside, making a mark where it's located. That'll make it easier to line up the new latch, or if we're reusing the latch. Then we'll take a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Take these bolts out. Pull this last bolt out. There's a connector on the back side. Here, we're gonna disconnect that connector. Push down on the lock to disconnect the connector, just like that. Squeeze down that. Actually, I'm gonna use some needle nose, and I'm just gonna squish the tabs down and then push the bracket through, just like that. Just like that. Then on the back side here, to pull the cable off, you can just grab the cable and pull it out, just like that. And then you're gonna rotate this little ball down and out, just like that. And there's the latch. Okay, we're gonna reinstall this. You're gonna take this cable with the ball end, go underneath the spring here, wrap it around, pull it through like that, and then slide this retainer on there like that in the groove. And we can line up, and we can line this bracket up here. Start the bolts. Now we're going to tighten these down. You want to line the bracket up with the mark you made with the marker on the radiator support. Just snug that a little bit, a little more. Just snug it like that, and then we'll tighten these ones. Make sure it all lines up. That looks pretty good, so we're going to tighten these a little more. Just make them snug. Tighten this last one down here. Now I'll connect up this wiring connector right here. Plug this into there and then slide that in. So before we put the cover over here, we're just going to test it, make sure everything's lined up good. Put the prop rod down. We're going to go down with the hood slowly and see if it lines up good. It looks like it works pretty good. So we'll just close the hood. Make sure I'll just pick this up, drop it, make sure it lines up. Everything looks good. Now I'll pop the hood. Everything is working good. So put this cover on. We have all these push retainers that go in. Oops. Push those down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.